Hello guys, hello. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the Elite Trader. You can see there. Let me take this off. Oop, where is it? Oh, okay. Where are the indicators? Indicator list. Okay, sorry, let's take this off. Okay, so you can see there, that's the Elite Trader. Whenever you have the Elite Trader robot on your chart, you will see this there. Now you could have two, three, four, five pairs open, but if you only okay, I think Elite Trader is taking more trades. Let me see. Okay, maybe not. Okay, so when you have the Elite Trader on your chart, it will show on that particular chart. Even if you have, three, four different pairs on, and you only have it on one pair, it will only show on that pair. You know, um, so this is currently off. Obviously I turned it off just for the sake of this demonstration, if you like. I currently have, it has triggered for four pairs, as you can see there. I think I placed it on six pairs, but as of the time of this recording, as of the beginning of this recording, it had not triggered for two of them, but it's triggered for that. It has not triggered for gold. I did, place it on gold, but it has not triggered yet. It's I'm trading it on the 5 minute time frame, but you can trade it on any time frame. But as you know, the smaller the time frame, the quicker it will pick up trades. Just like if you were trading manually, you would be able to find more setups on the lower time frames. So this one is, you can see, is going in profit. That's good. It triggered here, and there's a stop loss there. So what tends to happen is you set it in such a way that you specify what your average stop loss would be, and what your average take profit would be. It's one take profit. So it does not allow, it does not, it's not been programmed to take profit at TP1 or TP2. So what I generally would do, I will set the take profit at 100. Because obviously, unless there's a sharp move, it goes and hits my take profit at 100 pips at one, just like that. Fine if it does that. I set it at 100. You know, it also has a feature whereby it trails. Maybe I could even see it here. You can see all the four trades at the moment, a total of about 70 pips. Let's go to GA. Okay, so you can see GA is already trailing. You know, this is a buy. He bought it somewhere around here. You know, and once it got to about 35 pips, it you can see it went as much as 48 pips. So I set it to start trailing when it gets to 35 pips. You can choose when you want it to start trailing. So the trailing would have kicked in around here. The trailing would have kicked in around here, which basically means, this, which was the stop loss, maybe somewhere around here at the bottoms. I don't know where it was on this chart. You know, basically has now gone into profit. It has moved the stop loss into profit. Not even break even. I mean, from here to here is about 8 pips. So it's moved into profit. And as this keeps on going up, the stop loss will begin to go up as well. Beautiful. That is hands free. That is hands free for you guys. So I'm hoping that this pair will keep on going up, so that the stop loss will keep on going up. Otherwise, if it comes down now and hit my stop loss, it means I would end up with about 10 pips or so. So anyway, once you're using it, I would show you what to do. Because you can actually, from here to here now, it's about 28 pips, not the very big top, but here. So you can actually do it in such a way that, you know, it's trailing it closer. I mean, what it has done now, the way I've set it, is that, it should be at least, you know, um, 30 pips or so from the current price. This is the current price, but you can set it to be only maybe about, this is the current price. and you want it to be at 15 pips or 20 pips away, you can set it, because what you really don't want is, you know, um, for the price to go into huge profit and come back and hit your, you know, stop, even though it's in profit, but you've given away so much. You don't want that. Anyway, I'm not going to spend too much time explaining that. It's been designed. I designed about 4 or 5 years ago, and I'm looking to keep updating it or tweaking it. But anyway, like I said, all the settings I did this time was for this demonstration. Just to make sure that it allows me show you what the trailing stop feature is like. So you can see it's currently at 80 pips. So how would you use this? When I wake up in the morning, run about, usually before 8 o'clock, depending on when I wake up, I would put it on. I would choose about 6 pairs. You can choose more. I mean, is there really any need to choose more? I would choose about 6 pairs, put the elite trader on them, and when it finds the setup that I have programmed into it, it triggers it, and it gets me in. Like I say, you can set this, you can set the stop loss, you can set the you know um, take profit. You can set it to trade in only one direction. If, for instance, you wake up in the morning and GJ is bullish overall, you can decide to set it to trade only, to go long only, to buy only, and not sell. But obviously, you can also do it to sell and buy depending on which one it finds. What more can I tell you? Let's see what more I could tell you. You would set the stop loss, you will set the lot size you want to use. What I tend to do and advise is that use the same stop loss for all your pairs. Use the same stop loss for all your pairs. But obviously, because gold, the pip count in gold is huge, you would set it differently. I would also advise you as to how to do that. Now look at the top here. Once you plug in your elite trader, you will put on this. You will click on auto trader or auto trading. Let me enable it now that you are here. Who knows, it might pick up other pairs. Just check the number of pairs here. It's all set for 5 minutes. Let's click it, put it on. You can see it's red. If I click it on, it turns green. Okay, it has not taken any other. Maybe during the course of this demonstration, it might pick up one. So you can see overall. Let me just run through it then. So this is in plus 15, which is good. This is minus 4. This is 29. This is 40. This is 34. But like price goes up and down. At some point, it was as much as almost 47 pips. So it can either close out when it hits your take profit or your stop loss or your protective stop. But at the moment, this is not exactly stop loss anymore. It's a protective stop because it's now in profit. I would call it protective stop. Or you can close it manually. I could say, okay, I'm done for the day. Let me close everything. That's what I tend to do really every evening. Like the screenshot I sent to you yesterday. After the screenshot, I went on and closed everything in profit. So now it's in profit. I could say, oh, fine, I've had enough for the day. I close everything, even though one of them is in a drawdown, which is CHFJPY. I could say, well, doesn't matter. I'm gone. I mean, it's just so that's all about that. I mean, some of you have been asking about it. Now, okay, for those of you in America, I mean, two of you in America have asked about my softwares and indicators. They all work on MT4 only. They all work on MT4 only on your computer or PC, not on the phone. Um, I don't really know any broker in America that um, currently allows the use of MT4. To be honest with you, so it's a bit of a tricky one. For those who signed up or who are signed up with my affiliate link, you can have this for free. You can have this for free. I'll renew the license whenever it expires. And that's the way it works. You know, um, Now, if you are not signed up, if you want to use your own broker, I will charge you about well, I'll charge you at least £35, at least £35 to use this. But if you're signed up with my broker, you can use it for free. Um, so if you have any more questions, do feel free to ask. You can actually set it and leave it. If, for instance, you're using a VP, if you're using a VPS, you can set it to trade every day, or you can choose the day you do not want it to trade. It also allows you. So Monday through Friday, or even Saturday, I mean, we can trade. I wouldn't perhaps use this to trade crypto though, but if you want to, the risk is on you. So you can set it to trade every day, or select the days you don't want it to trade. You can also select the hours, the time of the day, if you're going to be having it on a VPS, because some of you might want to shut your computer down, and that's fine. But if it's on a VPS, then it can trade, even when you are asleep. What else can I tell you? That's about it, really. Um, yeah, there are about four different settings there. I mean, obviously, the settings I recommend is what I'll prefer you to go with. Okay, guys. Like I said before, as a member of this group, you really have no excuse not to be making money. Seriously, you have no excuse. I want everyone in the group to get to a point where they are withdrawing money every week. Yes, maybe not to start next month, but you could start off, making profit and then begin to withdraw every month, maybe initially every 2 months, then it comes to every month, it comes to every, I don't know, 3 weeks, and before you know it, you are withdrawing every week. That's, my goal and hope and prayer for everyone in this group. Okay, guys, feel free to talk to me if you have um, any more questions. 82 pips. That's good. Awesome. Yesterday I did over 100 pips. Hands free. Hands free. Okay, guys. Bye now.